Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to delete columns in Excel. Here I have some data. 1. To delete one column, click on the column header A, B, C, etc. to select the entire column. Right-click and select Delete. The column will be removed and the next columns will shift to take its place. To delete multiple consecutive columns, click the first column header, then drag to the last column you want to delete. Excel will show how many columns are selected. Right-click and choose Delete. 3. To delete multiple non-consecutive columns, select the first column header, then hold the Control key and select Other columns. Right-click and click Delete. And that's it, your selected columns will be deleted. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.